Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the topic of my video is about ChatGPT. So we will know about ChatGPT and I will discuss all about it in very detailing tutorial. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. ChatGPT is a form of generative AI, a tool that lets user enter prompt to receive human-like images, text to video, and ChatGPT is similar to the automated chat services found on customer service websites, as people can ask it questions or request clarification to ChatGPT's replies. The ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Again repeating, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to how ChatGPT processes requests and formulates responses. ChatGPT is trained with reinforcement learning through human feedback. Who created ChatGPT? OpenAI, an AI research company. Repeating again its name, OpenAI created and launched ChatGPT in November 2022. It was founded by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers including Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works through its generative pre-trained transformer, which uses specialized algorithms to find patterns with data sequences. ChatGPT uses the GPT-3 language model, a neural network machine learning model, and the third generation of generative pre-trained transformer. The transformer pulls from a significant amount of data to formulate a response. ChatGPT uses deep learning, a subset of machine learning, to produce human-like text through transformer neural networks. Training begins with generic data, then moves to more tailored data for a specific task. ChatGPT was trained with online text to learn the human language, and then it used transcripts to learn the basics of conversations. What kinds of questions can users ask ChatGPT? Users can ask ChatGPT a variety of questions, including simple or more complex questions such as what is the meaning of life, or what year did New York become a state? ChatGPT is proficient with STEM disciplines and can debug or write code. There is no limitation to the types of questions to ask ChatGPT. However, ChatGPT uses data up to the year 2021, so it has no knowledge of events and data past that year. And since it is a conversational chatbot, users can ask for more information or ask it to try again when generating text. How are people using ChatGPT? People have used ChatGPT to do the following: code computer program, compose music, draft emails, summarize articles, podcasts, or presentations, script social media posts, create a title for an article, solve math problems, discover keywords for search engine optimization, create articles, blog posts, and quiz for websites, review existing content for a different medium such as a presentation transcript for a blog post, formulate product descriptions, play games, assist with job search including writing resumes and cover letters, ask trivia questions, describe complex topics more simply. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? How accurate is it? Some limitations of ChatGPT includes the following. It does not fully understand the complexity of human languages, lack of knowledge for data and events after 2021. The training data ends with 2021 content. ChatGPT can provide incorrect information based on the data from which it pulls. Responses can sound like a machine and unnatural. It summarizes but does not cite sources. ChatGPT does not provide analysis or insight into any data or statistics. ChatGPT may provide several statistics but no real commentary on what these statistics mean or how they relate to the topic. It cannot understand sarcasm and irony. ChatGPT is based on a dataset of text. It may focus on the wrong part of a question and not be able to shift. What are the ethical concerns associated with ChatGPT? While ChatGPT may be helpful for some tasks, there are some ethical concerns that depends on how it's used. So guys, kindly stay with us, subscribe my channel, and then see you in next video.